Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could enable Windows Sandbox. To do that, click on the Start menu and start typing Control Panel. Once the Control Panel app will appear, click on it to open. If you have different view, like small icons or large icons, then make sure to change view to category so that you are able to follow. Next step, click on Programs. Under Programs and Features, you will have the option Turn Windows Features on or off. Click on it. This window will pop up. Scroll down to the bottom, locate Windows Sandbox. It's among the last few options, and click OK. Make sure that you're connected to the internet. Windows will search online for the required files, and it will make sure that it's download them. Once done, your computer will ask you to restart. You can either click restart or you can just don't restart, and it should be fine. Because once you turn off and you turn on your computer again, all the changes should then take effect. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.